It's my birthday.
So what?
I'm 77 years old.
Yeah, so what? You don't mean you've got a blown air horn in my ear, does it?
It's my birthday. I'm just celebrating it.
Yeah, good for you. Happy birthday.
Thank you very much. Guess how old I am?
Yeah, you just said you're 77.
I'm 77 years old. It's good, isn't it?
Yeah, it's great.
Happy birthday to me.
Yeah. Good for you.
I'm having a party.
Good for you.
Goodbye. Guess how old I am?
Yeah, you said already.
Guess.
Yeah, you said 77.
77, yeah.